Let's get your Spectrum 101 cable box up and running. This box delivers HD cable TV with digital video recording capabilities. First, ensure you have the Spectrum 101 cable box, remote control with batteries, HDMI or coaxial cables, and optionally, an Ethernet cable for enhanced features. Place the cable box near your TV and the cable wall outlet, making sure there's good ventilation around it to prevent overheating. Connect the coaxial cable from your wall outlet to the cable in port on the back of the cable box. For the best picture quality, connect an HDMI cable from the cable box to your TV's HDMI input port. For enhanced features like on-demand streaming, connect an Ethernet cable to the LAN port on the box. Wi-Fi is also supported if you prefer wireless connectivity. Plug in the power cord to turn on the cable box. Turn on your TV and the box. Pair the remote control by pressing the Setup button and following the on-screen prompts. The cable box will boot up and display a setup menu. Select your preferred language and enter your zip code to complete the initial configuration. Setup is now complete. This DIY installation saves on technician fees and is designed to be user-friendly, requiring no special tools beyond the cables provided. Once connected, the box will scan for a signal. Activation typically happens automatically if your Spectrum account is active. If not automatic, use the Spectrum app to scan the QR code on the box. You can also call 1-800-SPECTRUM for activation. This verifies your service plan and unlocks your channels. Full activation can take 5 to 15 minutes. Afterwards, you should have access to live TV and DVR functions. If you encounter issues, here are some troubleshooting steps. Aim for a signal strength of at least 70%, which can be found via the box's diagnostics menu. Basic troubleshooting includes rebooting the box by unplugging it for 30 seconds and checking that all cables are tightly connected. With self-installation success rates exceeding 90% for basic setups, you will be watching TV in no time.